This tactile image is of a nebula, nicknamed the Pillars of Creation. The pillars sit within the Eagle Nebula in the constellation of Serpes. This is a region in our Milky Way galaxy where new stars are forming in dense clouds of dust and gas. This image is a map of the sky based on measurements at two different wavelengths of light, neither of which are visible to any human eye. The map combines the intensity of X-rays, as measured by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, and the intensity of infrared light, as measured by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. The X-rays pick out young stars and very hot gas, while the infrared light traces warm dust. Where the tactile plate is higher, there is more intense light. If you run your hands across the image, you should feel long pillars or columns of gas and dust that emerge from the bottom edge of the plate and stretch toward the upper edge. In space, these columns are more than 4 light years long. That is 24 trillion miles. This region is called a nebula because the dust and gas form a sort of mist that looks fuzzy to observers of the sky. You can feel this mist around the pillars that lean to the right. The cloudy pillars are surrounded by dozens of dots of various sizes. These dots are young stars emitting X-ray and infrared light. The stars are only a few 100,000 years old, unlike our Sun, which is 4.5 billion years old. Over time, more stars will form out of clumps in the pillar and continue to blow away the remaining gas and dust. Over millions of years, this nebula will disappear.